HMS Prince of Wales is the 7th Royal Navy ship to bear that name. The first was launched in 1765. Naturally, however, my closest connection to our great Navy is through another admiral, my husband, another Prince of Wales. So I already feel a particular affection for this ship. When she and her ship's company are out on the high seas, please remember that I'll be holding you all in my thoughts and prayers. I'm certain you will carry out whatever is asked of you with the pride that comes of being at the forefront of our naval prowess. Wherever she is asked to serve, may she and her company return home safely to harbour. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I name this ship the Prince of Wales. May God serve her, God bless her, and all who sail in her.
I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service and to the service of our great imperial family to which we all belong.